Good afternoon, dear students. Today discuss about new chapter name is progressions. This one very easy chapter. Only depends on the formulas. Today discuss about progressions. There are two types of progressions. There are two types of progressions. First one is arithmetic progressions. First one is arithmetic progressions. The short name is A dot B. Arithmetic progression, short name is A dot B. Second one is geometric progressions. Geometric progressions. This short name is G dot P. There are two types of progressions. The first one is arithmetic progressions. This short name is A dot P. The second one is geometric progression. This short name is G dot P. First of all, what is the difference between sequence and series? So what is the mean by sequence? Means elements are separated by commas. Sequence means elements are separated by commas and can be written as A1, A2, A3, A4, so on. Sequence means elements are separated by commas. It is called sequence. Next, what is the meaning of this series? Series means the sum of all elements in the sequence. It is called series. What is the meaning of the series? Means the sum of all the elements in the sequence. It is called series. The sum of all the elements of the sequence. It is called series. This is denoted by summation symbol. This one can be written as summation. So, what is the definition of the sequence? Means elements are separated by commas. It is called sequence. So what is the meaning of the series? Means the sum of all the elements in the series sequence. It is called series. Series denoted by sigma. Next one. Now discuss about first method is arithmetic progression. What is the definition of the arithmetic progression? Means in a sequence of numbers. In a sequence of numbers, the difference between any two terms is same. The difference between any two terms is same. It is called arithmetic progression as well as common difference. What is the definition of the arithmetic progression? Means a sequence of numbers. A sequence of numbers. The difference between any two terms is same. It is called arithmetic progression as well as common difference. In these two, what is the difference value? 1. This one also difference is 1. This one also difference is 1. This one also difference 1. This one also difference 1. A sequence of numbers. The difference between any two terms is same. It is called arithmetic progression as well as common difference. Everyone understood? What is the definition of the arithmetic progression? Means a sequence of numbers. A sequence of numbers. The difference between any two terms is same. It is called arithmetic progression. Everyone understood? It is clear. What is the definition of the arithmetic progression? Means a sequence of numbers. The difference between any two terms is same. It is called arithmetic progression as well as common difference. Next, very important formula. Nth term of arithmetic progression. Already you know what is the definition of the arithmetic progression? A sequence of numbers. A sequence of numbers. The difference between any two terms is same. It is called arithmetic progression as well as common difference. Sometimes they are asking what is the definition of the common difference? Means the difference between any two terms is same. It is called common difference. What is the common difference here? D is equal to any term minus before term. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. One more value. 50 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. It is called common difference. Arithmetic progression definition is a sequence of number. The difference between any two terms is same. It is called arithmetic progression as well as common difference. Common difference by denoted by small d is equal to any term minus before term. Next, very important formula is nth term of the arithmetic progression. Nth term of the arithmetic progression. Right? First term denoted by T1. Here, one is you can call first term denoted by T. First term value is A. A is written as A plus 1 minus 1 into D. It is possible or not? A can be written as A plus 1 minus 1, 0. 0 in anything value 0. A plus 0, so A1. So you are writing. Next one is second term. Second term can be written as A plus D. The first term is A. A can be written as A plus 1 minus 1 into D. The second term is A plus D. A plus D can be written as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Second term can be written as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Like that. Third term can be written as A plus 2D. First term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D. A plus 2D can be written as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So on. Last term or nth term. Last term or nth term. So nth term can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D. So how we came this one? So how came means here first term is A. A is written as A plus 1 minus 1 into D. Next second term A plus D. A plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 nothing but 1 only. So A plus D can be written as A plus 2 minus 1. Second term minus 1 like that. Next third term can be written as A plus 2D. A plus 2D can be written as A plus 3 minus 1 like Tn. A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula for the nth term of the arithmetic progression. Very important this formula. So totally all the problems depending upon this formula in the arithmetic progression. Here careful listen. Nth term of arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to A plus m minus 1 into D. Here, where A is called first term, A is called first term, D is called common difference. D is called common difference. N is called number of terms or number of elements. Number of terms. Tn is called nth term. Tn is called nth term. Here listen very most important formula. All the problems depending upon only this formula only. Nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is called first term. A is called first term. D is called common difference. N is called number of terms or elements. Tn is called nth term. It is clear? Only all the problems depending upon only nth term of the arithmetic progression. Only applying this formula only. Remember this formula. What is the formula for the nth term of the arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Everyone understood? It is clear. Now we will go to the problems. Now we should go to the problems. Very easy. Only applying the nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. They are given one sequence number. Easily to find the A value, and d value. They are asking find the nth term value. So they are given all the values. Only substitute in the nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. Here there are two more questions. First question, very easy, very important questions also. First one is find the eighth term of the sequence 2, 4, 6, so on. What is they asking? Find the eighth term of the sequence. We are applying the nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. First, what is the given sequence? We should write given sequence is, what is the sequence given? 2, 4, 6, so on, all the sequence value in the arithmetic progression. Here, what is the A? A is called first term. So you understood. In the sequence number, what is the first element? 2. So A value is first term is 2. Next is D. D is nothing but common difference. So what is the common difference between these two terms? 2. In these two also 2. So now first term it is called first element. D is called common difference. In these two, what is the common difference values? 2. Or else any common difference means any difference between any two terms is same. Now common difference means any term minus before term. I am taking 4. Any term minus before term is 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. What is the given nth term? So n value they are given 8 to calculate 8th term. It is clear. Their given series. What is the given series? 2, 4, 6, These are all the sequence series in the arithmetic progression. Their first term denoted by small a. What is the first element here? 2. So first element it is called first term, that is denoted by a. A is equal to 2. Next to D. D is nothing but common difference. The difference between any two terms. So any common difference means any term minus before term. I am taking one element is 4 minus before term is 2. The 4 minus 2 is 2. The difference is 2. Next they are given nth term. So nth term is to calculate 8th term value. So n is equal to given 8. Now applying the nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. Nth term of the arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the a value and d value and n value. Now calculate 8th term of the arithmetic progression is to calculate 8th term. So n value amounts 8 only. So what is the a value? A value is 2. N value is 8 minus 1 into d value is 2. Simplify the right hand side value. 2 plus 8 minus 1 into 7. 7 into 2. 2 plus 7 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. Now this is value is 8th term. Therefore conclusion 8th term is 16. Here listen carefully. The first term is 2. Second term is 4. Third term is 6. The fourth term is 8. So on. They are not given the 8th term. To find the 8th term in the given sequence in the arithmetic progression, the first term is denoted by a value. A is equal to 2. Next we can take d value. D is nothing but common difference. Any term minus before term. I am taking one element minus before term is 2. The 4 minus 2 2rs. This difference between element is 2. This one difference also 2. Next, this is the 8th term is nth term. So n value is 8. To find the value is 8th term. They are asking find the 8th term. So to find the value is 8th term. That's why we are applying nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now applying the a value, n value, d value. Now we are substituting all the elements. This is getting finally eighth term is 16. Did you understand? It is clear? Very easy. They are given one sequence to write the a value and d value and n value. Finally substitute in the nth arithmetic progression formula. After that finally we get what they are asking to find the nth term. Did you understand? It is clear? Now go to the second problem. So second problem is very easy, only applying nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. Second question very important, 6 marks question. Find the 15th term, means to calculate t 15th value. Find the 15th term of the find the 15th term of an arithmetic progression 1, 3, 5, so on. How to find the 15th term is they are already given. What is sequence they are given? Given sequence is 1, 3, 5, so on. The sequence in the arithmetic progression. Here, what is the first term? First term denoted by a. A is equal to first term. What is the value? 1. The a is called first term. In the given sequence, what is the first element? 1 is the first element. So first term denoted by small a. Next, common difference. Common difference means any term minus before term. So I am taking one element is a 3. The before term is minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Next is n value. They are asking 15th term, means to calculate t15, means t n value how much? 15. So to find the value is 15th term. Now applying nth term of the arithmetic progression. Nth term of the arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What they are asking? Find the 15th term of arithmetic progression is to calculate 15th term. So now what is the a value? A value is 1. What is the n value? 15 minus 1 into what is the d value? D value is nothing but 2. Simplify the right hand side value. 1 plus 15 minus 1 value is 14 into 2. 1 plus 14 into 2 is 28. 28 plus 1 is 29. Finally, we are find the value is 15th term. Now write the conclusion is 15th term value is 29. This is the answer. Very easily to solve this equation. They directly they give one sequence. That sequence definitely the sequence in the arithmetic progression. Now what is the a value? A is nothing but first term. So now what is the first term here? 1. So a first term is denoted by small a. Small a is equal to first element. D is equal to the difference between two terms. The difference is to this one also 2. That's why any term difference means common difference any term minus before term. I am taking 3 before term is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Next, what is the asking? Find the 15th term. To find the 15th term easily. To find the 15th term is now applying nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now applying the n value, a value, d value. Finally, you got the 15th term value is 29. First one is first term, 3 is the second term, 5 is the third term, so on to find the 15th term. We don't know 15th term. That's why we are applying nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. Finally, we got the 15th term value is 29. Did you understand? It is clear. Next, go to the third problem. Very easy. 6 marks questions. most important. Third one is find the 14th term of the arithmetic progression. 15, 12, 9, 6, so on. Here also given one sequence. First type, what is the given sequence? The given first sequence is 12, 9, 15, first one is sorry. The given series is 15, 12, 9, 6, all the sequence in the arithmetic progression. Tell me, what is the first term here? First term is A. First term is denoted by A is equal to 15. In the sequence number, what is the first number? 15. 15 is denoted by small a. Small a is nothing but first term in the given sequence. Sequence number, the first term is denoted by small a. Here, what is the first term? Is 15. That's why we are writing A is equal to 15. Next, D. D is nothing but any term minus before term. I am taking 12. Before term is 15. 12 minus 15 value is minus 3. What they are asking? Find the 20th term. Find the 20th term. So it is nothing but Tn. What is n value? N value is nothing but 20. Did you understand? It is clear. What is the given sequence which you are writing as it is? A is called first term. D is called common difference. In this, what is the difference value? Is minus 3. Next one. To find the values 20th term. That's why to calculate 20th term. Tn. Like a Tn. So in place of n value is there, 20 is there. Now applying the nth term of the arithmetic progression. Nth term of the arithmetic progression is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What they are asking? Find the 20th term of, to calculate 20th term of the arithmetic progression is to calculate 20th term. What is the a value here? 15. N value is 20 minus 1 into d value is minus 3. Now 15 plus 20 minus 1 value is 19 into minus 3 is equal to 15 plus into minus minus 19 3 is 57. 15 minus 57, 15 minus 57 is minus 43. Now finally we get the answer. 20th term is minus 43. 20th term is minus 43. So did you understand this problem? Very easy. What is the given sequence you are writing as it is? Definitely this sequence is in the arithmetic progression. The first term is denoted by small a. So a is equal to 15. D is nothing but common difference. Difference between any two terms. So I am taking any one element minus before term. 12 minus 15 is minus 3 or else 9 minus 1 is minus 3 or else 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. We are taking any two terms means same difference we get it. Next, to calculate 20th term is find the values 20th term. Tn, nothing but a Tn. In place of n what is there? 20 we are writing. Now applying the nth term of the arithmetic progression form is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now applying the all the values, finally we get the 20th term is minus 43. You have understand? It is clear? Next, go through the fourth problem. Now go to the fourth problem. Very simple. Only applying the formula. So very important this question also. Next fourth one also important question. Find the seventh term of the arithmetic progression is 3, 6, 9, 12. Here, find the seventh term is to calculate T70 means 7th term to find out. First step is write given series or given sequence, not series, given sequence is 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. This sequence in the arithmetic progression. Here, what is the first term here? First term denoted by A is equal. What is the first term? 3 is the first term. Next, D is equal to common difference any term minus before term. I am taking second element is 6, before term is 3. 6 minus 3, 3 or else this difference is 3, this one also 3, this one also 3. So take any two elements of the difference. Now next, to calculate 17th term. To calculate 17th term is like a form Tn. That's in place of n is equal to what is there? 17 is there. So now we are writing n is equal to 17. Which formula apply here? 10th term of the arithmetic progression formula. 10th term of the arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What they are asking? Find the 17th term. Find the 17th term. So it's 17th term of the arithmetic progression is they are asking to calculate 17th term. Calculate 17th term. Applying the a value, n value, d value. A value is 3, n value is 17 minus 1 into d value is 3. Simplify the values. 3 plus 17 minus 1 is 16 into 3. 3 plus 16 into 3, 48. 48 plus 3 is 51. Now, finally we get the 17th term value. 17th term is 51. Do you understand? It is clear. What they are given sequence we are writing same like. Now write the a is equal to first term is 3, b is equal to any term minus before term. To find the value is 17th term. Now applying the nth term of the arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A value is 3, n value is 17 minus 1 into d value is 3. So simplify the values. 3 plus 17 minus 1 is 16 into 3, 16, 3 is 48, 48 plus 3 is 51. 51 which value? 17th term. Now finally we get the 17th term is 51. Very very important. This is all the questions. Next go through the fifth question. Fifth question. So everyone understand the step by step. The problems will be solving very very easy. Okay. Next fifth problem. Fifth problem. Find the 12th term of the sequence. Find the 12th term of the sequence 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6, 1. Here what they are asking, find the 12th term is to calculate T12. What is the given series there? Given, not series, sequence. Given sequence is 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6, so 1. This is definitely the series sequence in arithmetic progression. Here what is the first term? First term is denoted by a is equal. What is the first term here? 1.5. D is nothing but common difference. Any term minus before term. I am taking 3 minus 1.5. 3 minus 1.5 value is 1.5. What they are asking? Find the 12th term. So what is n value? N is the 12. Now which formula apply here? Nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. Nth term of arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the nth term? They are given 12th term. Now writing 12th term of arithmetic progression is find the values. 12th term is equal to a value is 1.5, n value is 12 minus 1 into d value is 1.5. So d value also 1.5. Now simplify 1.5 plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 1.5. 1.5 plus 11 into 1.5. How to calculate? Listen carefully. 1.5 into 11. 11 5 is 55. So 50 get cancelled, right? 5. Next 11 into 11. 11. 11 plus 5 is 60. So one element after point is you are writing one element after point. Now you get 16.5. Now we get 16.5. So 11 into 1.5 is 16.5. 16.5 plus 1.5. 16.5 right 1.5. 5 plus 5 10 we are writing 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So 18. So 1.5 plus 16.5 we are writing 18. Now 12th term value is 18. 12th term value is 18. So we are writing, we are understanding the each every step. That's why I am writing more steps. Okay. Now what is the given series? Each sequence is 1.5 comma 3 comma 4.5 comma 6. This definitely this sequence in the arithmetic progression. What is the first term is 1.5. So first term is divided by small a is equal to 1.5. D is this common difference value is 1.5. D is equal to 1.5. They are asking find the 12th term. So n value is 12. Now applying the term of the arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So now calculate 12th term. Now applying the a value and n value and d value. A value is nothing but 1.5 plus n value is 12 minus 1 into d value is 1.5. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 1.5 value is 16.5. 16.5 plus 1.5 value is 18. Finally, you got the 12th term value is 18. You have understand? It is clear? The next question. Very easy. All the problems only applying the formula is nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. So only one formula applied here. So very easy. This topic also. Sixth question. Find the 13th term of the sequence is minus 3, minus 7, minus 11, so on. Minus 3, minus 7, minus 11, one more term you want to write, minus 15 also. So on. So they are asking, find the 13th term. What is the given sequence here? Given sequence is minus 3, minus 7, minus 11, minus 15. So what this sequence also in the arithmetic progression. Here, what is the first term? What is the first term is minus 3. So first term is denoted by small a. Small a is equal to minus 3. D is equal to common difference. Any term minus before term. I am taking first term, second element is minus 7. Any term minus before term is minus 3. Is equal to minus 7 minus 1 minus plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. What is they asking? Find the 13th term. Find the values 13th term. N value is 13. Which formula apply here? Nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. Nth term of arithmetic progression is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. They are asking 13th term. 13th term of arithmetic progression is they are asking find the 13th term. Applying the a value. A value is nothing but minus 3. N value is 13 minus 1 into d value is minus 4. Minus 3 plus 13 minus 1 into 12. 12 minus 4. Minus 3 plus into minus minus 1 4 ja 48. Minus 3 minus 48 is minus 15. Finally we get the value is 13th term value is minus 51. Did you understand? What they are given? One sequence they are given to find the 13th term. So what sequence they are given? We are writing as it is. The first term is minus 3. D is equal to common difference is minus 4. To find the value is 13th term. Now applying the nth term of the arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now applying the a value and n value and d value. A value is nothing but minus 3 plus n value is 13 minus 1 into d value is minus 4. That minus 3 we are writing as it is. 13 minus 1 value is 12. 12 into minus 4 is minus 48. Minus 3 minus 48 value is minus 15. So finally what they are asking we have to find that value. 13th term value is minus 51. Did you understand? It is clear? Next question. Next question. Next question. So very simple. 7th question. Find the 10th term of the 10th term of the series. Find the 10th term of the series. 1.2 plus 1.7 plus 2.2 plus so on. Before they are given sequence, they are given series. Already I explained what is the difference between sequence and series. Sequence is nothing but elements can be elements can be separated by the commas. Series means the sum of the all elements in the sequence. So now given series is 1.2 plus 1.7 plus 2.2 plus so what is the first term here? A is equal to first term is 1.2. D is equal to any term minus before term. So I am taking one term, before term is 1.2. 1.7 minus 1.2 value is 0.5. What they are asking? Find the 10th term. Find the 10th term. So what is n value here? N value is 10. Which formula apply here? 10th term of the arithmetic progression formula is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now they are given 10th term of arithmetic progression is find the 10th term of what is the a value? 1.2. N value is 10 minus 1 into d value is 0.5. So 1.2 we are writing as it is. 10 minus 1 is 9 into 0.5. So 1.2. So 9.05 I have to calculate 0.5. So 9 5 ja 45. So write 1 5 here. Remaining after the limit is 4. 9 into 0 0. 0 plus 4 4. So how many elements after point is there? Only one element after point is there. That's why we are writing one element after point 4.5. 0.5 into 9 value is 4.5. So 1.2 plus 4.5 is 5.7. It is clear? Now we get the therefore 10th term is 5.7. So did you understand these problems? Very easy. In before questions are given sequence, but here given series. Don't confusion. Only what is the first term? You can write A is equal to first term, D is equal to combination any term minus before term. Don't confusion. They are given any sequence or any series. Process or same thing only. Don't confusion this type of problems. So you are understood how to find the nth term of the series by using the arithmetic progression formula. This is the process for the find the nth term of the arithmetic progression. I explained what is the definition of the arithmetic progression means a sequence of numbers in arithmetic progression. Then the difference between any two terms is same. It is called arithmetic progression as well as common difference. Here, what is the formula for the nth term of the arithmetic progression is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, a is called first term, n is called number of terms, d is called common difference, tn is called nth term. Okay, only here applying the nth term of the arithmetic progression formula. Very easy. This chapter also here only there are two methods. One is arithmetic progression, another one is the geometric progression. Today I have explained only arithmetic progression. Okay, tomorrow will be continues these problems. Okay, thank you all.